will just be a short film of me just messing with the tabby slimes as they want to just commit frickin' suicide. Frippin' is frickin' flip mine. Even the rock slimes want to commit suicide. One already jumped off the edge. Rock slime, the rock largo, and a tabby, and you know what I mean? And I got some big boards here. And this is just a short film. No, dude! He's already dead. Really? I did not want to make this video 14 minutes, a minute long. Maximum is 3. Sucks when it comes to space. It's not even my Oh, don't! Really? Oh, I was like, oh, come on, don't say that. Nope, nobody came to her. I was like, no, don't say that someone ate a tabby port and they were a rock order. I did not want to mess with Tara today. Oh god. I'm gonna... Stop committing suicide! I think they upped the stupidness AI of slimes. Night. No, you will not, sir. Wow, I launched that kitty. Kitty, don't do it. I got a kitty stuck in the tree. Hello, just jump down. You'll always land on your legs, okay? So that will balance because of tail. I want to get another one stuck in the tree. Hello, kitty, rock largo, don't you even dare think about rolling in this direction. Get stuck in the tree! Boing! Jeez! Have you activated the moon jump cheat code? This game doesn't even have cheat codes, so what are you doing? Smack! Get out of here. I just came around this randomly. They don't attack you when you hold them anymore. I think. I just didn't get attacked by it. Oh! Yeah, okay. Kitty phosphor. Kitty phosphor. Oh. Is that a kitty phosphor or a pink phosphor largo? It's pink phosphor largo. Ow! Hey! I knew I stood on you, but still, hey! Ow! That's my face! I want to get another cat stuck in the tree. Is this phosphor gonna become stupid? I want you in.